Good morning, dear children. We are continuing with exercise 10.2, chapter 10, exercise 10.2. Okay. Last lecture में we have done I think first six sums of this. Okay. Now today I am going this exercise quickly because the sums are not so difficult, but I will give you the hint in almost every sums. Now everybody will keep your textbook open. Page number 220, sum number 8. Last time we have seen up to sum number 6. Now I am taking sum number 8. Okay, 7 sum is very easy. It's a 2-point formula. So I'm not taking it. Now sum number 8 is, read the sum there properly. What is given? Perpendicular distance from the origin is 5 unit. So given to us is, what is given? आप पढ़ते जाओ और नोटेशन में लिखते जाओ. So given that perpendicular distance, that is denoted by small p, p is equal to 5. Perpendicular distance from the origin is 5 units, and the angle made by the perpendicular with the positive x-axis is 30 degree. That means, if you recall, it is omega. In our new NCERT book, it is omega. In our old one state board book, it was alpha. Omega is given as 30 degree. Okay. So P given, omega given, and the question asked is find the equation of a line. So what will be the required equation? So the required equation will be P omega form. Okay. So what is P omega form? All of us know it is x cos omega plus y sine omega is equal to P. This is the form. So therefore, x cos 30 plus y sine 30 and is equal to 5. That's all. Now we know the 30 degree values. So it will be cos 30 will be root 3 by 2. So it will be root 3x by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Okay. So 1 by 2 y and is equal to 5. And now just simplify, means LCM, and we have the final answer is root 3x plus y is equal to 10. Is equal to 10, or you can say minus 10 is equal to 0. ये हो गया हमारा answer. This is the answer. Okay, right? So this is a new form we are using, P omega form, which was not used earlier. Okay, in any exercise, any problem. Now, 9 sum. Okay, now as I told you, in some of the problems, I will give you the hint. I'll give you the hint that in the 9 sum, in the triangle PQR, the vertices are given. See, triangle PQR, I'm just drawing it rough. Okay, no need the perfect diagram. PQR, and the coordinates of the PQR are given is 2, 1, minus 2, 3. This is 2, 1. Q is minus 2, 3. And the coordinates of R is 4, 5. Okay. Now, what is the question asked? Find the equation of the median. Okay. Through the vertex R. Find the equation of the median through the vertex R. See, this is the vertex. All of us know or must know the definition of median. How will you draw the median? Median अगर आपको draw करना हो दोस्तों, तो आप क्या करोगे? From this point R, you have to draw a line segment joining the midpoint of the opposite side. Line segment joining the midpoint of the opposite side. मतलब if I call this is M, okay, then You can say that if RM is the median, line segment RM is median. If this is median, then, okay, what will be M? M is nothing but the midpoint. Midpoint of what? It will be the midpoint of PQ. Midpoint of PQ, right? So now you know the midpoint formula. So M is equal to PQ. You know the midpoint formula. 2 minus 2 divided by 2. 2 plus minus 2. So it will be 2 minus 2 only. 2 minus 2 upon 2. 1 plus 3 by 2. Okay. So answer will be 0 and 4 by 2 is 2. So coordinates of M becomes 0, 2. Right? And now the remaining thing is, now you have to find the equation. What is the again question? Pado? Find the equation of the median through the vertex R. So the what is required? क्या पूछा है हमको यहाँ पे? They asked to find the line MR. Median का equation पूछा हुआ. This one. Okay, right? So the equation, okay, of the median MR, right? ये इसका equation MR consisting line. In fact, the median is a line segment. I am drawing here a line notation. That means it's a line containing the median. You can say it's a line containing the median which is required. ठीक है? Right? So वो क्या हो जाएगा equation? 2 point, because M is already there, R is already there. So हमारे पास 2 point formula है y2 minus y1 upon, sorry, y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1. 2 point formula है. Okay, this is a 2 point form, and forms are already with you, dear children. तो अभी मैं बाकी का काम आपके लिए छोड़ रहा हूँ. What we will consider as x1 y1 x2 y2. समझ लो कि ये हमारा x1 y1 है, तो ये x2 y2 हो जाएगा. ओके, if you call this is x1 y1, then this will be x2 y2. ठीक है, तो ये आपको ध्यान में रखना होगा. हाँ, you can change it. इसको x1 y1 बोलोगे, इसको x2 y2 बोलोगे, no issue. You will get the same answer. You will get the same answer. Okay. Now I am going further. The next one is sum number 10. Okay. Sum number 10, just see 10 sum. I am just drawing a diagram of it. Find the equation of a line passing through minus 3, 5 and perpendicular to the line through the points 2, 5 and minus 3, 6. Okay. So actually what happens, if you see the required line, जो भी required line है, आप थोड़ा ध्यान से पढ़ोगे ना, if you read it once or twice, then you will say that the required line is perpendicular to the, say, line through the points, perpendicular to the line through the points. Which are the points given there? See the sum, page number 220, sum number 10. I call it the points as A and B. Okay, A25 and say B minus 3, 6. B minus 3, 6. Okay, so just I am taking it rough कि भाई ये हमारा एक 2 point given, say A and B minus 3, 6 and say 2, 5. Now the required line is what? Required line is perpendicular to this one. इसके perpendicular है and passing through what? It is passing through the point minus 3, 5. Now required line will be like this. ये मैंने जो line draw किया, this is a required line. This is a required line, and that required line is passing through which point? Minus 3, 5. So minus 3, 5 will be anywhere on this line. It will be anywhere on this line. So I will take it as say any कहाँ पे भी ले सकते हो. This is just a rough we are understanding. ऐसा don't take it perfect graphically. Okay. तो suppose that here is a point. समझो कि ये वाला point है और ये point को मैंने P बोल दिया. So that point P is minus 3, 5. Okay, point P is minus 3, 5. Is that clear? Okay. So now this is a required line. You know now this is a 90 degree. Okay. So क्या करोगे? You have a point already. You have a point. Now if you can get a slope of this line, required line ka slope, if you get, then we are done. Means our answer will be there because you can use point slope form. So what is AB slope? You can find out AB slope. Okay. Slope of AB क्या होगा? Formula already there. Okay. Slope of line AB. Then it will be y2 minus y1, 5 minus 6 upon x2 minus x1. So 2 plus 3. Okay. And so it will be minus 1 upon 5. This is the slope of AB. And therefore, what will be the slope of required line? ये required line को suppose मैं L बोलूं. Required line is L. Suppose say it is line L. Okay. So the slope of the required line, perpendicular की condition याद है? L is, I will call it M. This slope also I would have called M. But मैंने इसको नाम नहीं दिया, मैं इसको नाम दे रहा हूँ because this is our required line. And उसका slope हमको चाहिए. So उसको मैंने notation दिया. ये slope को मैंने notation नहीं दिया. Okay, so that all we have to be take care. So m is equal to इसका perpendicular slope क्या होगा? You know the condition. If the two lines are perpendicular to each other, then the product of the slope will be -1. याद है ना? Or otherwise, in other sense, you can say the slope of each line will be reciprocal and negative of each other. Negative reciprocal of each other. So this is -1 upon 5, then this will be 5. ये हमारा slope हो गया. Slope, ये हमारा point है. This is the point. Okay. And now you can use point slope formula. Okay. So the remaining, you just have to finish in the homework. Use point slope form. Okay. Right. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now, sum number 12. Okay, all of you, please see sum number 12 in the textbook, page number 220. Find equation of a line that cuts off the equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and passes through the point 2, 3. Here also I will only draw the diagram and the remaining will be for you. See, x-axis, y-axis. Okay. Now 2, 3 point will be in which quadrant? Point 2, 3 will be in first quadrant. Okay, right? And the line is such that it cuts the equal intercept. Equal intercept का मतलब क्या होता है? X intercept and Y intercept will be equal. Okay. Hope you are able to see this now. Okay. Equal intercept, that means this is origin. If I call this A, if I call this B, then OA and OB will be same, equal in length. These two are equal. OA is equal to OB. This is called equal intercepts. And the required line is AB, which is passing through the point 2, 3. So 2, 3 will be somewhere here, say P. 2, 3. Okay. In the first quadrant, obviously, 2, 3. Now, equal intercept. So if I call this is A0, then B will be 0A. Isn't it? A0, 0A, because it is given that X intercept is equal to Y intercept. This is given, is equal to A, let us say. And therefore, the required line will be intercept form याद करो तो x upon a plus y upon a is equal to 1. This will be our required line. X upon a plus y upon a is equal to 1. This will be our required line. Okay, right? And now this passes through which point? 2, 3. Passes through 2, 3. So 2, 3 इसको क्या करेगा? Satisfy करेगा. So put 2, 3 over here. X equal to 2, y is equal to 3. And then you will get the value of A. Whatever the value of A you get, that value of A you have to again put it here. And then finally you will get the answer. So the remaining thing is for you, students. I'm just writing here that this line passes through which point? Already given, passes through the point 2, 3. And now you just have to finish the work in the homework. Okay? Just do it in the homework. जहां पे भी मैं HW लिख रहा हूं ना, in any lecture, anytime, I'm going to ask to anybody present online whether he or she has done or not. Okay? Because मैं वहां से कोई भी सम को वहां से मैं आपके लिए छोड़ रहा हूं जहां से मुझे पता है कि आप लोग कर सकते हो. Okay? Unless you practice it on different forms of the line properly, नहीं तो फिर that not possible. But if you don't do it, again I am telling you, last time we बोला था, be prepared only for the offline exam, not for the online exam. I repeat, be prepared for the offline exam, not for the online exam. Okay? अभी कुछ श्योर नहीं है कि ऑनलाइन ही होगा. सो ऐसे दिमाग में रख के आराम से बैठना मत, नहीं तो बहुत बुरे फंसोगे. मैं फिर से बोल रहा हूँ. Now I am taking some number, let us say 15. 14 sum is also the good one actually. There are two questions asked. 14 sum is for specially given. I'm giving you the homework. It's an important sum. I'm giving you the homework. तो नेक्स्ट टाइम मुझे आपको ये पूछना है, किसी ने भी किया हो, देन यू विल शो मी. यहाँ पे स्क्रीन शेयर करके मुझे ये सम आप बताओगे कि आपने क्या किया इसमें. दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट सम, बट आई एम गिविंग यू द होमवर्क. दिस सम कैन बी आस्क्ड इन द 3 मार्क्स. ये 3 मार्क्स में आ सकता है, 2 मार्क्स में भी आ सकता है. ओके, आइदर 2 मार्क्स और 3 मार्क्स के लिए ये सम हो सकता है. But though I am giving it to you, I want to see what you are doing. Okay, right? In fact, there is a point slope form and there are two questions asked actually. And combining both the question, it becomes 3 marks. That is why. 15 sum number 15. 15 sum is the perpendicular from the origin to a line meets at the point -2, 9. Find the equation of a line. ओके अभी देखो इसमें डायग्राम अगर मैं रफ भी ड्रॉ करूं तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि -2, 9 which quadrant? -2, 9. So it will be obviously second quadrant. It will be second quadrant. तो अगर मैं रफ भी ड्रॉ कर रहा हूं तो -2, 9 मुझे सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में तो एटलीस्ट रफली भी बताना पड़ेगा, राइट? क्योंकि एक्स एक्सिस, वाई एक्सिस, then origin, 0, 0, and what is the line there? The perpendicular from the origin to the line meets at the point -2, 9. ठीक है, मतलब विच एवर इज द रिक्वायर्ड लाइन. सपोज कि भाई ये मैंने रिक्वायर्ड लाइन ऐसे ही रफली ड्रॉ कर दिया, ये मेरी रिक्वायर्ड लाइन है. समझो कि दिस इज अवर रिक्वायर्ड लाइन. ओके, तो ये परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस हो गया. ओके, और यहाँ पर हो गया ये परपेंडिकुलर. एंड इफ आई कॉल दिस पॉइंट इज एम, द फुट ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर इज एम, then it is given as -2, 9. This is given as -2, 9. Okay, this is given m -2, 9. Now what is the question asked? Huh? The question asked is what? They are asking the question as not the OM, but they want the required line. This is the required line. Okay, right? तो क्या करोगे आप? फिर से परपेंडिकुलर का कॉन्सेप्ट आ गया. What is the slope of OM? Slope of OM. So OM slope, you know, there are 2 points already. So that will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So 9 minus 0 and upon -2 minus 0. ठीक है, 9 minus 0 upon -2 minus 0. So answer will be -9 by 2. ये हो गया slope of OM. Therefore, what will be the slope of the required line? Slope of the required line क्या हो जाएगा? Perpendicular. So perpendicular slope will be what? Negative reciprocal. Perpendicular slope will be negative reciprocal. And so you can say that the slope of the required line, slope of the required line will be, what will be negative reciprocal? It will be 2 by 9, because this is -9 by 2, it will be 2 by 9. And let us call this as m. We'll call it m. ठीक है, राइट? तो ये हो गया हमारा रिक्वायर्ड लाइन का स्लोप, और ऑलरेडी पॉइंट इज देयर. Already point is there. So you have a required line. What will be the equation? Equation of the line. Point slope form. Okay. मैं यहाँ पे अभी हिंट में लिख रहा हूँ. The remaining work is for you, students. Point slope form. Okay. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay. And so remaining you just have to finish in the homework. खाली पॉइंट रखो, स्लोप रखो, सिंप्लीफाई करो, दैट्स ऑल. ओके, राइट? नाउ सम नंबर 16 and 17, okay, sum number 16 and 17 will not be asked in the exam. याद रखो, the sum number 16 and 17. Okay, note 16 and 17, okay, not for the exam. If you want to do it just for your own interest, you can just practice it, but it is not for the exam. So you can avoid it, not for the exam. Okay? So do not prepare, no problem. If you want to do it, no problem. Okay. Now, the remaining sum 18, 19, 20. Sum number 18, 19, 20. That can be done. That can be asked also. And that I am giving you because I know if you are through in all these problems what we have discussed right now, then for you the homework में आप वो लास्ट के 3 सम कर सकते हो. Finish the sum number 18th, 19th and 20th sum. Okay. अगर इसमें डाउट है सो यू आर फ्री टू आस्क. ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई सर ने नहीं चलाया तो एग्जाम में नहीं आने वाला है इसलिए नहीं चलाया. डोंट बी दैट स्मार्ट एंड डोंट थिंक लाइक दैट कि भाई जो हमने किया उतना ही करेंगे तो हो जाएगा. डोंट बी ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट. सो जस्ट डू इट. और अगर कोई डाउट है तो मेरा कभी भी लाइव लेक्चर होगा तो लाइव में आप पूछ सकते हो. Right now, according to because I have 2 periods, but during that time, because I am on leave and due to my health issue, I'm not able to take the lecture. So I already recorded the lecture for you so that we don't miss, okay, that time. That is the only reason, okay. So now, this is what we have completed exercise 10.2. Now, after that, there is exercise 10.3. Okay, exercise 10.3. Then exercise 10.3, in that, there are different formulas are going to come. That is a perpendicular distance formula. Okay, then the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines. Okay, then you have to convert the one form of the line into the another form. Like linear form है तो उसमें से normal में convert करना है. अगर normal में दिया है तो linear में convert करना है. Okay, like that. So that type of problems are given in exercise 10.3, and not only that, there are few problems in exercise 10.3 which are 3 markers as well as 4 markers. मतलब इसमें lengthy sums भी है. There are lengthy sums too. Okay. So that this is actually the last exercise of this chapter 10 point. बाद में miscellaneous है. Okay. So today I'm just starting the exercise. Okay. I'm just starting the exercise 10.3. I'm beginning and I'm doing the few sums. And then remaining we will do tomorrow. So exercise 10.3. Everybody will keep your eye in a textbook, and the page number is 227. Page number 227 of the textbook. Okay, and let us start the first sum of it. The first sum is reduce the following equation. All of you just keep your concentration in the textbook. Reduce the following equations into the slope-intercept form and find their slopes and y-intercepts. Okay. First of all, before I go for that problems, what is the slope-intercept form? What will be the slope-intercept form? Okay. The slope-intercept form will be, anybody? Those who remember, Just hold on please, एक कॉल आ गया मेरा बीच में. Hold on. Okay, now the slope intercept form is what is the slope intercept form? Y is equal to mx plus c. You know, where m is the slope and c is the y-intercept. Okay, c is the y-intercept. What is? So this is I am just reminding. कि अब तक हमने इसका यूज नहीं किया है 10.2 में. ओके राइट. इन द एक्सरसाइज 10.2 वी हैव नॉट यूज्ड दिस फॉर्म. तो अभी इसमें हमको रिड्यूस करना है. तो कैसे करोगे? तो उसमें से फर्स्ट सम देखो. द फर्स्ट सम देयर इज x plus 7y is equal to 0. ये पहला सम है उसका. द फर्स्ट सम देयर इज x plus 7y is equal to 0. ओके राइट. सो आपको क्या करना होगा कि दिस वन इज अ लीनियर फॉर्म. दिस इज अ लीनियर फॉर्म. ये लीनियर है. ओके. सो यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट reduce into this form, slope intercept form. So y equal to mx plus c. तो यहां से आपको 7y is equal to 7y is equal to minus x. First step. Then make y a subject. तो क्या हो जाएगा? दैट मीन्स y is equal to what? Y is equal to minus 1 upon 7x. Okay, and actually plus c. So actually plus c is here plus 0. So no need to write plus 0 actually. So ये हो गया हमारा आंसर. This is the answer. Okay, but they have also asked a question. अगर देखो आप, उन लोगों ने पूछा हुआ है कि and find their slopes and the y-intercept. So here, where what is the slope? So you can say that the slope is minus 1 upon 7 mx plus c, and y-intercept. Okay, y-intercept is 0 plus c. तो ये हो गया हमारा फाइनल आंसर. This is also the answer they are asking for. Okay, so this way you can complete the second and third of this. Second and third given there as a homework for you. Okay, first ka second and third, then you just finish with the homework. Now see, number 2, question number 2. Question number 2, what is there? Reduce the following equation into intercept form. Reduce into intercept form. So अभी फिर से मैं remind करा दूं, what is the intercept form? Intercept form. I asked this one to Kavya, लेकिन काव्या को याद नहीं आया था. What is the intercept form of a line? X upon A plus y upon b is equal to 1. Is the intercept form. तो हमको ये फॉर्म में रिड्यूस करके बताना है. Is equal to 1. Now this is very important. Is equal to 1. Suppose I take the first one of it. The first one is there, 3x minus 2y. 3x minus 2y, sorry, plus 2y, and minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay, right? So first of all, the constant term you take on the other side, or directly you can divide throughout by 12. But first I will do the constant on the other side. And so that will be what? 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Now, to get this form, to reduce in this form, is equal to 1 चाहिए हमको, is equal to 12 है. तो क्या करोगे आप? Dividing throughout by 12. So dividing throughout by 12, it will be what? 3x upon 12 plus 2y upon 12 is equal to 1. And so 3 4s are 2 6 are cut kar do. So you have x upon 4 plus y upon 6 is equal to 1. So ये हो गया हमारा आंसर. This is our answer. Okay, दोस्तों, right? So this way, in this also you are given three questions that you must finish at your own. Second and third that you will do in the homework. Okay. So dear children, यहाँ तक मैं रख रहा हूँ आज. I am not going further today. So we have completed exercise 10.2 and we have started exercise 10.3, and most probably tomorrow we have 3 periods. So maybe I will be able to complete the exercise 10.3 and we'll start the last exercise, that is the miscellaneous exercise. Okay. So hope you are understanding whatever is there. Do homework. Ask me the problems, doubts in the live lecture whenever I take. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Take care.